Electric mountain bikes, EMTBs, have come a long way, offering powerful motors and lightweight designs that are ideal for beginners in 2025. With a growing range of e-bikes, there are more options than ever for new riders. So in today's video, we will show you the top 7 electric mountain bikes that combine performance, value, and ease of use for those just starting their e-MTB journey. The Amflow PL Carbon is a lightweight electric mountain bike designed for trail enthusiasts. Weighing approximately 19.2 kg, it features a carbon fiber frame that enhances speed and agility. The bike is powered by the DJI Avinox M1 drive unit, delivering 850 watts of peak power and 105 Nm of continuous torque, with a boost mode offering up to 1000 watts and 120 Nm for challenging terrains. Riders can choose between 600 Wh and 800 Wh battery options, providing ranges of up to 117 km and 157 km respectively. The Amflow PL Carbon offers 5 assistance modes, including an adaptive auto mode and a high power boost mode. Additional features include intelligent walk assistance, auto hold, and hill start assist for improved control on inclines. The bike's geometry, with a 64, 5D head tube angle and a 77-degree seat tube angle, ensures balanced performance and responsive handling on various terrains. The Trek Plus is a high-performance electric mountain bike designed for riders seeking both power and agility on challenging trails. It features a robust 170mm suspension system, providing ample travel to absorb rough terrains and ensure a smooth ride. The bike utilizes a mixed wheel setup with a 29-inch front wheel for stability over obstacles and a 27.5-inch rear wheel for enhanced maneuverability in tight sections. At its core, the Slash Plus is equipped with the TQ HPR 50 motor, delivering 50 Nm of torque to assist riders in conquering steep climbs effortlessly. This motor is paired with a 580 Wh battery, offering a substantial range for extended adventures. For those seeking even longer rides, an optional 160 Wh range extender is available. The bike's geometry includes a 63.5-degree head tube angle and a 77-degree seat tube angle, optimizing rider positioning for both aggressive descents and efficient climbs. The Norco Fluid VLT is a lightweight electric mountain bike designed for a fun and agile ride. It features a mixed wheel setup with a 29-inch front wheel for stability and a 27.5-inch rear wheel for better control. Most models have 150mm front and 140mm rear suspension travel, except for the top model, which has 140 or 130mm travel. The bike uses the Bosch Performance Line SX motor, which delivers 55 Nm of torque and up to 600 W of peak power when pedaled fast. It's smaller and lighter than other motors, making the bike weigh around 18-20 kg, which is much lighter than Norco's other e-MTBs. The 400 mAh battery helps reduce weight, improving balance and handling. The Focus SAM² is an electric mountain bike with high speed, designed for fans of aggressive descents and technical trails. It features a sturdy aluminum frame with 180mm front suspension travel and 170mm at the rear, providing ample cushioning for rough terrains. The bike rolls on fast 29-inch wheels, ensuring stability and control during high-speed rides. Powered by the Bosch Performance Line CX motor, the SAM² delivers up to 85 Nm of torque, assisting riders on steep climbs and long adventures. The integrated battery offers up to 750 Wh, ensuring an extended range for those long trial days. The bike's geometry is optimized for downhill performance, with a slack head angle and long wheelbase for stability. while a steep seat angle ensures efficient climbing. Focus-optimized linkage design. Suspension system is tailored for aggressive riding, providing the necessary support and responsiveness. The Orbea Wild is an electric mountain bike designed for enduro riders who seek both power and versatility. It features a Bosch Performance Line CX motor, providing 85 Nm torque to assist on steep climbs and challenging terrains. The bike is equipped with a 750 Wh battery, offering extended range for longer rides. Its full suspension system, with 170 meters of front travel and 160 millimeters at the rear, ensures a smooth and controlled ride on rough trails. The Wild's geometry is optimized for aggressive riding, with a slack head angle and long wheelbase for stability at high speeds. The superior EXF 8089 is a full suspension electric mountain bike designed for both performance and comfort. It features a Shimano EP8 motor, providing 85 Nm torque for efficient power delivery. The bike is equipped with a fully integrated 504 Wh battery, offering a range of over 100 km depending on factors like rider weight and terrain. Its geometry is tailored for racing, ensuring reliable steering in rough terrains. 130mm front and 140mm rear suspension travel combined with two 6-inch tyres enhance safety and control on challenging surfaces. The 1-to-1x11 gear setup allows for smooth pedaling frequency adjustments. Additional features include responsive rock shocks and Suntour air suspension, internal cable routing for a clean look, and 4 piston brakes with larger rotors for increased braking power. Overall, the superior EXF 8089 is built for riders seeking a high-performance e-MTB experience. Sight turn 0, search 1. The giant Trance X. Advanced E+ Elite is a lightweight electric mountain bike designed for both power and agility. It features a full suspension system with 140mm of rear travel and a 150mm front fork, providing smooth control on rugged trails. The bike uses a mixed wheel setup, a 29-inch front wheel for stability and a 27.5-inch rear wheel for quick handling. At its core is the SyncDrive Pro motor, offering 85mm torque and a 400% support ratio, delivering a dynamic ride across various terrains. The Energy Pack 400 battery, co-developed with Panasonic, is lightweight and efficient, contributing to the bike's overall weight of 18.8 kg in a size medium. The Trance X Advanced E+ Elite also includes the Ride Control Go button for easy mode adjustments and the Ride Control app for further customization. So these are our top 7 electric mountain bikes for beginners in 2025. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends who are interested in e-bikes. Let us know in the comments which bike caught your attention. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching.